guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan, and today we have Jenny.
Hi, I'm back. And today we are making some glow-in-the-dark fluffy slime. So we picked up these two bottles of Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue from Target.
No, Walmart.
Really? I don't know.
Really?
Somewhere, but they have another one. There's a green one too, but we just picked up these, and we were curious to see if they would work with fluffy slime.
Yeah.
Because fluffy slime is our favorite.
Because it smells good and it's so fluffy.
So we made it, and it smells delicious. Look at it. It came out so good.
It did.
And then if you want to see whether or not it worked, keep watching. So we are going to be making glow-in-the-dark fluffy slime. We're going to be using this new Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue.
We saw this in the store, and I was like, we gotta get this for slime.
It's so cool. And then we're just going to use some shaving cream and some contact solution to make a super simple slime. So first things first, you want to add your glue. This glue is so cool because it actually glows in the dark.
It already has sparkles in it.
I know, it's very pretty. We took it in the bathroom with the bottles.
Yeah, it glows like crazy.
It was so cool. So I'm gonna add my blue. What do we add next? Contact solution or?
We add shaving cream, then the contact solution.
Okay, so shaving cream next. Okay, I am going to do my contact solution now.
Oh, that sound is so satisfying. My turn. Okay, believe this.
Oh, it's already turning.
So cool.
There we go. Alright, I think I'm gonna get in there with my hands now. What about you?
I don't know yet. Mine's still super sticky.
Jordan, can you contact solution me?
I'll contact solution you.
Thank you.
Both
there
hands.
you go.
Get
okay.
it on there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
Oops.
no.
It's literally This was, I went in way too early.
You did. Everywhere.
Come on. Okay, so I finally got it to not be so sticky.
I'm going in with my hands.
But now it's starting to get sticky again. So I'm gonna add more in that little hole right there. Ah, Jordan, your little piece of spoon is stuck.
My broken spoon. Okay.
Okay, guys, so
Bubble gum.
I got my slime to not be a sticky hot mess. So that's exciting. Jordan, you look like
You need help.
I do. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
We don't want it to turn purple.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
No purple up in here.
Soak up all the extra.
Get
All right, so we have
our fluffy slime.
your slime was on my finger. So we have our slime.
And
I think that in hindsight, we probably should have done regular slime instead of fluffy because the glitter is all gone and I'm worried that it's not gonna glow.
I am too. I hope it glows.
I hope it
Cross our
glows too. Fingers crossed, but if it doesn't, we still have slime.
Yep, we still have very soft slime.
I know, it smells so good. All right, so we're gonna go in the bathroom and test this out.
Let's go.
Fingers crossed. Oh my god! How cool is that?
This is so cool.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
Oh wow!
I'm so happy.
I am so happy, and it's such a pretty. That pink looks so cool.
It does.
I like the coolest.
It was so cool. It looks so cool.
That was awesome.
I was so shocked.
I know.
was like, it's not gonna work.
I know. Wasn't sure if it wasn't gonna work because it was fluffy slime and not regular slime, but it worked.
It looks so cool too.
I know, that's awesome. So yeah, that was our video for the day. These were like $5 at the store. I don't remember if it's Walmart or Target, but they were $5. So they're a little pricey as far as glue goes, but it's super cool.
It is.
Because you always see like
It works
green
so well.
glowing,
Yeah.
but you never see like pink and blue.
Blue glow slime.
I love it. This was awesome.
It was super cool. I am in love with this slime.
It matches you right now.
Oh my gosh, it does.
Very cool. All right, guys. So that was our video for the day.
Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.